Upgrade your BMW F30 or F20 screen. PEMP Linux Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Fast, slick, no lag. Let's be real, your BMW's factory screen feels like it's stuck in 2012. Slow menus, clunky interfaces, and zero fun while you're cruising. Tapping buttons that don't respond, fumbling with cables, and feeling disconnected from your phone kills the vibe every time. You want to focus on the road, but your infotainment system's a total roadblock, wasting your time and killing your mood. No wireless CarPlay? No smooth Android Auto? It's like driving with one hand tied behind your back and your phone stuck in the glove box. Time for a change. That vintage BMW screen's not just a minor inconvenience, it's a full-on stress booster. Slow response, no touchscreen, and zero wireless freedom makes every drive feel like a battle against your own car. Calls drop, music skips, and reversing feels like a guessing game without a proper camera feed. You can almost hear the stress meter rising with every frustrating beep and lag. Don't let your infotainment system sabotage your chill vibes or your daily drive's zen moment. This tech headache is real, and it's exhausting. Say hello to your cockpit's new best friend. The PEMP Linux screen designed for BMW F30, F20, 2012 to 2017. This bad boy unlocks wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with lightning-fast boot times and a buttery-smooth 1920 by 720 HD touchscreen. Forget fumbling with cables or clunky menus, your BMW's interface now switches effortlessly between factory OEM info and sleek smartphone integration. Bluetooth calling, 360-degree camera support, and a piano lacquer frame that's as durable as it is sexy? Yep, this screen is the game-changer your ride's been begging for. With PEMP, you get the whole shebang: responsive touchscreen, OEM steering wheel button control, and seamless access to music, videos, and navigation. Switching to reverse camera video in 2 seconds? Check. Crystal clear stereo audio with no distortion? Double check. Wireless freedom from tangled cables and the slick mirror link feature means your phone's right where you want it, hands-free and distraction-free. This is not just an upgrade, it's an automotive revolution in your dashboard. Ready to show off? The future's knocking, will you answer? Don't settle for less or wait for your old screen to fail completely. This PEMP Linux screen upgrade is flying off shelves for a reason: perfect fit, flawless function, and that sweet wireless magic your BMW deserves. Ready to ditch frustration and drive smart? Hit that buy button and transform every trip into a tech-savvy joyride. Your BMW and your sanity will thank you. Go on, flex on those roads.